In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 mistakes that employees make before they launch their business and what you should do instead. So the first mistake that they make is they quit their job too soon. Yeah, we get excited. We get frustrated with our boss. We don't like some of our coworkers, so we get excited about this idea that we have, and we say, you know what, man, I'm done. And so we quit our jobs too soon. We leave, we leave, we leave before our businesses even got it's ready to really launch. So you got to lower the anxiety, the anxiousness, and slow down and start thinking clearly before you leave your job. Because that's one of the greatest mistakes I see, because I've done it. I did it. I've left my job too early and I suffered. And what happened was I had to go back to my job. Yeah, I had to go back because I had this great idea and I was so excited. I was tired of the people work out. Like, man, I'm tired of this job. And so I left the job to start my own business. And a couple months later, I had to go back because I quit too early. Well, also what we do is it kills our stream of income. Your job gives you steady income. So what you do is you need that steady income, so it takes pressure off you. It takes the pressure off you. And so when I left my job, I didn't have any income coming. So my light bill was still due. My kids needed stuff. My wife needed stuff. I had to pay my rent, my mortgage, whatever it was. So what happened was when you quit your job too early, you stop your cash flow. You stop your cash flow. So this what you should do instead. This is what you should do instead. When you're launching your business, don't quit your job too early. Look at your job as your business partner. Yeah, your job is your business partner. So your job is going to fund your vision. It's going to give you everything that you need. You're going to start putting money into the money that you make from your job. You're going to put it into your business. It's your first investor. So don't quit your job too early. Just a quick nugget here is, if your business is making, while you're still working your 9 to 5, if your business is making $2,000 to $3,000 a month, you're doing pretty good. Your idea is working. So continue to grow that. So the first mistake is we leave our jobs too early. The second mistake is we skip credit in funding foundations. We skip credit. So we leave our jobs, our credit's jacked up, and so when it's time for us to exactly scale our business, we're set behind because we didn't set in order our credit to get ahead. So before you leave your job, make sure that your credit is pretty good so that you don't have to use all your money to fund your business. You can use funding. And that's the steps I use to build my business. Is I quit my job and I use funding to really launch my business, to get everything that I need. But first thing I had to do was fix my credit. I had to fix my credit. So before you leave your job, make sure that your credit is close to a 700. Because I've gotten people $20,000 to $50,000 worth of funding before they even left their job, so they can really scale their business while they're still working a 9 to 5. So make sure you get your credit right. It's very important that you don't forget this step. Make sure that your credit is right, because you can get loans, you can get business funding, build business credit. It's so many things that you can do when your credit's right. So get your credit right. And the third mistake that we make is we try to do everything alone. We don't seek wise counsel. We want to do everything by ourselves. We don't want to, pay a coach or get a mentor. Get somebody who has experience in the field that we're going into that can help us go to the next level. But the thing is, sometimes our pride get in the way and say, I don't need to learn from nobody. And what a mentor does, or a coach does, is they give you shortcut to success. because success leaves clues. So find somebody in the industry that you want to model and get with him, spend some time with him so he can help you get she can help you get to the place that you need to be. Yeah. So that's the thing, man. You got to get to the place where you understand that you need mentorship. You need coaching. You don't know. It's back end systems of the business that you probably don't know about. It's sales systems that you don't know about. It's marketing that you might not know about. And that's why a lot of our businesses are failing, because we don't want to get the proper information. We don't want to get the proper information because sometimes we think we know it all. I'm smart. I'm the smartest in my family, so you get a big head. But I'm telling you, when you're out there drowning, you humble yourself. Business will humble you. When you see all your money is dwindling down, it will humble you. So the three mistakes that people make. The number one was you leave your job too early. Don't leave your job, man. Work your 9 to 5 until you see your business is scaling up to about 5 to 10K a month. The second mistake is we don't get our credit right. We don't want to use, it's called OPM, using other people's money. Get your credit right so you can hold on to your cash. Keep it in your bank account. And the third thing is the third mistake that we do is we try to do things alone. Stop doing things alone. Stop doing it. You wasn't created to do things alone. Any vision that your Heavenly Father give you is for somebody to help you, somebody to help groom you and show you a better way than you think, because your level of awareness is only one-sided. You only can see tunnel vision. But somebody who's been doing it longer than you, they don't have tunnel vision. They can see both sides. So what I'm telling you, man, is before you launch that business, do the right thing. Get clarity, get understanding. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, man. I also have links in the comments where you can book a time with me, join my few community where I'm talking business, I'm talking credit, because I want us to thrive, not just survive. I want us to live a life that we can say, man, leave a generation of wealth for our children's children, man. And so if you're a 9 to 5 worker and you're looking to launch your business and you need help with either credit repair, or you need clarity, you need understanding, you need to know how to get more, DM me, text me, click one of the links, a free one-on-one call with me. Let's make it happen, man. I want to help you. I want to help you win. So y'all be blessed.